Hi all. In this activity, I'm going to explain about how that security systems going to work uh, to identify the any intruders it's entering into our home or not, right? And it is one of the simple packet tracer activity, and it is our PKT, that is a packet tracer 11 in our course. Okay. Now, so what things we are going to add in this activity? Now that is we are going to add that trip wire and that alarm and that the security guard, that is SG1 door we are going to include. There are three IoT devices we are going to use in this activity, right? Apart from this one and one MCU we are going to use, and one ND devices, one switch, one intermediate devices we are going to use. And some of the devices are already pre-configured, and I will show you, right? Now this is the completed program. First let me show the answer to you for understanding purpose. Then I will start from the scratch how we are going to include the devices and how we are going to write the program also. I will show you, right? Now let me show the answer, then we will do that. Go to the MCU, let me check it is run. Now I'm going to run that program, okay, because already code has written here for to show the answer to you. Now see, now what is the condition? Now if any object is crossing this strip wire, then immediately some action will be done, right? And what is the use of the trip wire? The trip wire, it is going to identify any motion moving or not. If any motion is detected, then immediately the tripwire will get that motion detection, then it will do some action. So means that on and off. If it is motion is detected, then tripwire on. If motion is not there, tripwire in that off condition. If you want to know about the any devices, just click on it and go to the specification, then you can read it. Tripwire is a type of motion detector that can detect movement across a laser beam. So there is a laser beam will pass. We cannot see that laser beam, and the it will detect the any motion. So let us show that output to you. Press the Alt key. I am moving. See that what will happen now? That is alarm is on now. Now, sir, the door is opened. That is lock, not door open, that lock open. If it is closed, now it should be changed. Now we'll see that. Okay, now see, it is unlocked. That is called locked. If it is alarm is coming, then immediately then it will open. See, if it is alarm, then unlock. If it is tripwire is not detected, motion, that is alarm is not, the light is not on, it is lock condition. Okay, so this is the condition we are going to use. Let me show that. See, if that security controller SC, which one? This is the security controllers. Alarm level is off, it is unlocked. If its alarm level is high, then lock is locked. Okay, that is called your SG. Now let me show again. Just move here. See, alarm is on, then the door is also unlocked. If it is off, that is it will come to the lock conditions. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now I will start from the scratch. How to write the code, how to we are going to include it, everything. Okay, I hope it is understand the aim of this program. So let me close this one. Okay, close. Do you want to save? No. Now I'll open the code now. Sorry, the program file. Already I have downloaded the program. It is available in my desktop. The PKA file. Now this file is opening now. In this file we are going to use, we are just type your name. I'm typing name, my email ID. Okay, now I'll just keep talk. See, now this is the requirement, and these are all that is already initially configured file. So what are the initial configure? Because here already the code something is written here for that security controller already I have completed. you don't want to change anything, leave it as it is. Okay, don't disturb the code, right? It is already written the code, right? If you want to know about the code, you can open, you can, this is the JavaScript code. Okay, close it. Now already that cloud server, DNS server, all it is already, the IP addresses are configured, and router also configured, the internet, all it is configured. Okay, it's initial configuration, something is done. But now we are going to satisfy the requirement to complete the activity, right? So what are the things we are going to add in this activity? We are going to add the tripwire, alarm, door, and MCU. Let me take the tripwire, TRIP, trip. So the tripwire is there. Just take one tripwire. Okay, now I'm changing it to TW. That is called tripwire. Okay. Next one is alarm. Alarm. So just bring the alarm, keep it here, and I'm change the name also, right? So then another one is door. Door, right? I'm going to take the one door also. Take it. This is, will change it to SG, right? Because security guard, like that. Okay. Then one MCU. So now I'll take one MCU. I'm taking an MCU and name the change it as MCU, right? Fine. So the IoT devices are completed. Now one network device we are going to add, that is called switch. Sorry, let's go to the switch. I'm take the first switch. Just one switch is taken. I'm going to change the name as S1. Okay. One ND device. I'm either laptop or PC. Anyone you can take it. This is the one ND device. Now that is setup device is done. Now come to the connecting devices. So what are the things we are going to connect? As they mentioned, MCU. This MCU to security control using two digital connections, D0 and D1. We are going to use D0 and D1. You remember in our previous activity, we used three wires, D0, D1, D2. Reason is, the previous activity we have controlled fan and light, right? There are three actions of done where in the previous one. So the light should be dim and fan should be off. Sorry, the light is off, the fan is off. Stage one. That is the one action. Second action, the light dim and the fan is slow speed. That, and third one, that light is bright and the fan is high. These are all done in the previous thing. Just I'm recap that our previous activity, right? But that way there are three actions we have done. So the three wires we have used. Now here we are going to use two actions. One is open and the lock and unlock, two actions. So that I'm going to use only the two wires between the security controller and the MCU. Go to the connections, then go to the IoT custom cable. From here D0 to D0 as here mentioned. The next one is D1 to D1. Done. Okay. Now then tripwire and alarm to MCU. We are going to connect both. So from D2 to I'm going to use, that is called tripwire. And another one D3 we are going to use for the alarm. Okay, done. Now what is this one? This is also done. Now come to the SC and end device to switch. So we are going to connect SC and the end, both we are going to connect with the switch. Just take the fast Ethernet cable to come here, fast Ethernet cable to the switch. Done. Now after that, why it is a red color? Because the port is not on. So better go to the security, config, fast Ethernet, make it on. Okay, done. Now it's coming for the green color. Okay, now PC0, PC2, the switch. This is also done. Fine. So now this line is come. Now come to this line. Router RTR to the switch. We are going to connect these two. Take that router, that is a fast Ethernet straight through cable router. So now gigabit Ethernet is there. So we are going to connect to this gigabit Ethernet. Okay, connected. Now finally SG to switch TC. SG to switch TC. So take the fast Ethernet now. So now fast Ethernet cable is not available. We are not going to use a custom cable to connect this one. So custom cable we are going to use for the MCU because the switch We do not have that any custom cable where here. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do now, we have to enable the adapter of which one, fast Ethernet in that door. Open, click the door, right? Click that advance as we did before. Go to the IP config. That this adapter copper fast Ethernet cable, make it on. Okay. Now that adapter is open. Now click the fast Ethernet cable. It's open. Go there and connect to the fast Ethernet cable. Okay, now it is enabled. Okay, so now what we did, we have connected all the devices as per the requirement is given. Okay, fine. Now we will move to the next, configure the devices. For the configure devices, what they mentioned, enable DHCP service on cloud server with the specific settings on server pool. The start IP they mentioned here. Okay, the cloud server, click the cloud server, go to the services, DHCP. What the start IP they given? The start IP given is 209.165.209.4. But here, what start IP? Start IP 0 is it? Change it to 0. So 4. 209.168.209.4. Then subnet mask, there is no change. Okay. Now finally, don't forget to press the button of save. Just press. Just now it is saved. Now, and another most important step, we have to make it the service on. Okay. So now this step is completed. Now come to activate the IoT service on IoT servers. Now go to the server again. Okay. Now there is one more service is there, IoT. Just click make it on. Okay. So now up to this level is completed. Now what is this one? Now come to the next step. Create an account on IoT client server. So now we have to create an account to access and to monitor the IoT devices. Okay. For that, again open it. Go to the desktop. Let us see what is iPad. Just better to copy this iPad because we are going to create an account with the help of this iPad. Just close this one and open the web browser or IoT monitor. Anyone you can use it. So click the web browser. Just a minute, it will open. Okay. Now right click it, paste it. Now enter it. So now it is ready for that account. So we do not have that username password. We are going to create username security. Password is security SCCPWD. Now sign up. Here created security SECPWD. Right, created. Now once create, now what we have done, this also done. Okay, now come to the next part. The what is the next part? We are going to enable the DHCP client on SG, the door, and the SC and the end device. Okay, so now go to the SG. We are going to enable that which one, for the DHCP config. Go to the fast Ethernet cable. Do we have the IP address? We do not have. Now we are going to get that IP address from the DHCP services. Okay, click the DHCP. So now that the IP address generated. Now same IP 209.168.209.4. See, it's a start ID we have given. The start ID is coming. Okay, close this one. Now similarly, security controller. Go to the security controller and fast Ethernet and get the DHCP. So why it will not come 209? Because this router is configured with the whatever the default gateway that will come to this side. So it is already pre-configured, so that automatically it will get that only the what is there in that default gateway, that IP address will come. But at the same time, we will have the DNS servers. Just see the DNS server, see the DNS. So where the DNS coming? From this cloud server, from the DS also automatically the DNS server is coming here. Okay, right. Close it. Then similarly, end device. Click the PC0 and go to the desktop, IP configuration. Click the DHCP. See, now all done. See that default gateway and DNS, all it is coming. Okay, DHCP is request successful. Let's close. Okay, fine. So up to this level is completed. Okay, what is the next step? Register SC and SG to IoT cloud server. So we should register that SC and SG to the and IoT cloud service. Okay. Now what is that? We will check it out. What about the which one, that services? See the IoT. We have to use the username password. Automatically it will come here. We are going to use this username password along with that server's IP. We are going to attach these devices, security controller and SG. Click the SC security controller, go to see the IoT server, go to the remote. What is the IP address? I think it's already, yeah, it is there. Security and SECPWD. It should change, refresh automatically, right? It means that it is connected successfully. Now go to the SG and go to the IoT service, remote server, save. That is already I have in that copy, so that I'm pasting. Okay, security SECPWD. It's connected. Okay, now refresh. Now it means that SC and SG, it is under the control of or through that cloud server. Okay, now we can easily registered with the cloud server. Okay, now that is, this is our main part now. So write a Python program in MCU to activate the IoT devices, right? Okay, what that we are going to do? The first, the conditions given: import the required modules, assign the input output pin number, read input, and checking the conditions. Okay, now for that, what we have to do? Just click that MCU, go to the programming, new, just give the title, for an example, security system. Okay, I'm giving the title. Go to the template, select the blink Python, create it. Okay, just double click the main. Now it is open. Now we are going to write the code. So now write the code. That is already we have that imported, and pin mode we have to add. What are the we are going to add? So what are the things we are? Let me make it this side. Okay. So now there are 4 custom cables we are using. To from that MCU, it is there. One is tripwire, we have to include it, and alarm we have to include, and 2 more custom cable connected to the AC. So all the 4 cables we have to use in the pin mode. So now the whatever the cable connected with the AC, there is a output mode, right? Because output is only going from to the AC, and tripwire is the input, because we are going to get the input from the tripwire, and alarm also output. Now accordingly we are going to change it. Now the first one is, so as per the number wise I will go. Okay, I'm going to copy and for time consuming. 0 is what? That is a 0 is connected with the SC, that is also output. What about 1? It's also connected with the 0 and 1 we used. It is also output, right? What about the 2? And the 2 is that input, because tripwire it is going to give the input to us. Now come to the next one is the third one. The third one is, what is that? Alarm, it's also output. So now the 4 pins we used here, that is 4 pin mode declared. Okay, now just change the name, alarm, that is called alert system. Okay, now we are going to write our own code. I will remove that the default lines. So what are the conditions? The conditions, they mention that when that alarm is on, that tripwire is active. If the tripwire is going to detect something, the alarm on, that is and also the set pin, make it as a high. Otherwise, that is one is low, right? Like that we are going to make the conditions. So shall we write the code here? If now what is that tripwire? That is called on and off. So it is going to check on and off. If you want to know about the status, just what kind of it is, input or output, it is low, high, 0, 1, whatever you want to know that. Now you just click that particular device. Can you go down? See here. Reset or low means 0. tripped, something is detected, it is high. So now we are, that is called, mostly it is called the on and off state, means what, that is called digital. Okay, in this case, digital digital right, sorry, digital read of what, this is a D2, that is called connected to uh, sorry, 2 equal to high. If it is digital read of 2 equal to high, that means that the trip wire going to detect something. In this case, what we have to do, that alarm make it on and the pin mode set to high. So now alarm make it on. Alarm, what is the digital or analog? Just click it, see digital right. Okay. So now make it, write it here. Digital write off, on which pin it has connected? 3. 3 comma, make it high. Okay. Fine. What about that as question? Set pin 0 to high. Pin 0 where it is connected? To the SC. Am I right? To the SC it is connected, and that is digital write off 0. That is a 0 should be high. At the same time, digital write off, that pin number 1 should be low. So we have to specify that one. Okay. Done. So else part. Suppose if it is not detected any object, and we have to make it everything in that off condition. Okay. And opposite. Then that alarm is low, and that 0 is low and 1 is high. Why? Else part. Turn off alarm and set pin is high. This is done. Okay, then what is the next step? Execute the code, verify the result. Then activate, deactivate trip, observe the output of the alarm. Okay, just I'm going to, this is step is completed. Now I'm going to run the code. We will see it is working or not, the alarm is working or not. Okay, just press the Alt key and come near. See the, now it is working. See, alarm is working. It means that the condition is working now, right? At the same time, some output is going here. Based on the output, now we are going to activate the, that is called SG. But now we'll see that. For that, there is a separate code is there. From the end device, log into the cloud server. Through this end device, we are going to log into the cloud, and we are going to monitor the, which one, this IoT device. For that, there is a conditions we are going to write. Okay, now I'll go to the for time being, I'm going to stop the code. Let us complete the condition, then again we will make it on. That is a run the program. Go to the PC0 and web server or IoT monitor, anyone you can go. The previously I used that web browser, no? Now why not I will use that IoT monitor. Let us see. I'm going to close this one. Okay, I'll go down, open the IoT monitor. Okay, IoT monitor, just few seconds it will take to open it. Okay, in general. Okay, now what is the IP address we are going to use? Cloud server 209.168.209.2. This is the IP address of cloud server. What is that username? Security and SEC PWD password. Am I right or not? Now open. Now all it is coming now. Now we are going to make the conditions. What the condition? If the security controller's alarm level is off. Now this alarm level is off, then immediately unlock that SG. If alarm level is high, lock that SG. Okay, we will write the code, can make the condition. Click the conditions, go to the add now, and SG unlock. We will write the code unlock. Okay, now here I am going to choose, wait a minute, it should come, right? It is taking a little bit time. Yes, see that security controller. Just select the security controller. Now its alarm state what? It's Slightly slow in my laptop. Security controller, come. See, now it's off. The alarm level off. Now then SG, what happened? SG should be unlock it. Okay. SG set unlock. Okay. Lock is now press OK. Now go to the next condition. Next condition is what? If that is called SG lock. For that we are going to choose a security controller that is called alarms level if it is high. Okay, if it is high, now SG, what happened? SG, that is called the security card door stair lock, it is lock. Okay, that is called, the option is lock. There are two options will come, unlock, lock. I am making lock. Okay, as per the conditions given. Okay, make it okay. Okay, there are two conditions done. If you want, you can copy with this for your reference purpose. Okay, now close this one, minimize. Now we are going to do that action. Now let us see that activated trip and wire and observe the result AC, and now we are going to see the result both. What we said, and if it is off, alarm off, it is unlock. If it is on, then it is lock. Okay, press that alt key. I'm moving near to the, no, still not, we are not run the program. Go to the MCU, that is run the program. Okay, now program is running. Now minimize this one. See, come near, press alt key. So now see, it is locked. So it is, I'll just 1 minute. I will leave now. It is on now. Is it working? Yeah. See, this alarm off. It is locked. Is it is working opposite side? Other we have check the condition. If it is high, if I am going to move, we'll see that. I think it is trip wire is that alarm on, that is, this is unlock. I think it is opposite side is working. I think we have to check the code. 1 minute. So now what I'm going to do, so for our satisfaction, one time I will, this AC controller, I'm going to stop and run it again. Okay, it is already, it is in the running mode, just because now we have written the code. No, so what we will do, one time stop it. Okay, and this scripting, one time stop and we will run it again. Just run it. Okay, come down. What will happen? It is off and this is a lock, but it is opposites. No, for that what we will do, and if it is high and it is lock, its opposite side is working. So we will do one thing, we will change slightly in that MCU, that initially what we will do, that initially we will make the, yeah, 0 for these two, we will make it in that what level, I put in that, both in the low state. Okay, initially that is, we will make it in the low state of this one. So after that conditions it should change. Okay, we'll make it, just make a run. We will see the code, is there any changes. I hope it is clear. Now alarm on, that is SG lock. Maybe that is, we have to change the code, I think so, right? Better to will change the code. Where we have to change condition, we will change it. But we follow as per the conditions given here, we will follow. Better to go to the conditions, we will change it. Okay, edit it. What edit it? If it is off, alarm is off, now this is unlock. Lock is SG lock to SG lock to lock, off, unlock, lock. We'll see that. Lock is unlocked. Why it is opposite side is working? We will check. So this is for our understanding purpose. No, we'll check it out. If it is condition now, I'm going to move alarm on. That is lock. It move away. It is open. It is open. Turn lock. But it is opposite. No, now. Now it is. Is it correct? If it is off, alarm off, that is unlock. Now it is unlocked. No, off is now it is working fine. And if it is high, lock. Okay, I think its condition is perfect now. Is it clear? Now it's again move back, so it is off, unlock. Now it is condition okay. I think it is opposite side is working. Okay, nice. So now alarm off. Okay, so this is the small program for security system. Okay, I hope it is clear for you, and just accordingly change the conditions as per your requirement. Okay, thank you.